good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. About to go over some shoes here in my collection. I need your help. I need your suggestions. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash the like button, share the video so more people can see it. And if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I need your help. Let's go ahead and check out these shoes, you dig? What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see, we got a lot of heat in front of me. I need your help. I want to ask my subscribers your opinions and thoughts on what I should do. Make sure you take the time to leave a comment. Smash the like button if you enjoyed the video. Let me get some feedback. Smash the like button or the dislike button, but smash one of the buttons to give me feedback if you like the video or not. Leave comments because I need your opinions. Let's share all the comments in the comment section, your thoughts and opinions, of course. And if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We just passed 4,200 subscribers, on our way to 42,000 with your help. So share the videos, tell a friend and tell a friend. Check your boy Bossco Mitchell out. Without further ado, let's get to these shoes, you dig? So, with these shoes here, these are some of the shoes I got recently. I have them, I don't know what to do with them. I want to keep some of them, I want to get rid of some of them. Let me know what you guys think. Are these shoes fire, ugly, something I should get rid of, something I should definitely keep? Let me know your thoughts and opinions, man. And I have a mixture of shoes right now. All we have is Nikes in front of me, from Jordans to pennies. And that's pretty much it, Jordans and penny Hardaways. A lot of you guys out there, if you are sneakerheads, sneaker collectors, might have one pair of these in your collection. You might have one of these in your collection, or you might want to have one of these. But without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about it. I do have my... Okay, so the first shoe we're going to get into actually came out... Let me make sure I got this right. The first two shoes that I'm going to talk about came out in 2003. You guys are sneakerheads and been collecting since then. You guys would know about these shoes. If not, let me know what you think about them. But we have them in two different colorways. These are the Jordan 3 Flips. Very dope shoe, man. I like the blackness of it, the darkness of it, the silhouette. The silhouette is fire always, but just what's going on in the shoe, all black with like a little bit of a gray bottom. Just so you know, if you haven't seen my videos before, we definitely gonna get some up close and personal visuals of this shoe, of these shoes. So beware, the video might be a little bit in length. Hopefully you guys can rock out with your boy, watch it all the way through, let the ads run, I won't kill you. But these are very dope. These came out, like I said, in 07. The Flips came out in two colorways, this black colorway as well as this white colorway right here, which has some yellowing on the back. I think that's like some OG stuff right there. Let me know what you guys think about these Flips. Jordan 3 Flips in the black colorway and the white colorway. Both of these are dope. If you're a Jordan 3 fanatic, let me know. Let me know what you guys would do with these. Would you guys keep both of them, put one up for sale, keep the other one, put them both up for sale? Let me know your thoughts and opinions. I like the elephant print they have going on all over the upper, have it on the white and the black. The black is more my speed because it's like a black shoe with a little bit of shininess on the midsole. Got some leathers on there, got the elephant print in black. I think elephant print in black is always dope. The inside of the shoe has like a leather panel, where a collar or whatever you want to call it. The inside is leather, Jumpman signal on the back. Both of them have the Jumpman with the air, so it doesn't have the Nike air on the back like a lot of people like. But these are fire, man. Out of the two choices that I have, if I had to pick one, I definitely would go with the black Flips over the white ones, because white is a little bit more harder for me to keep clean and a little bit more work. But they're very dope. Jordan 3 is a good silhouette. Let me know your true thoughts and opinions on these shoes. Cop or pass, fire or trash. Spam it up in the comment section below, you dig? I'm gonna have to keep readjusting, but we're gonna keep this flowing, man. The next shoe I'm pulling out came out in 07 also. This is the Jordan 8 LS edition. Very dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think about the colorway. Did you guys cop or pass? Did you guys even try to get these? They came out in 07. I'm sure you can find some around now. The retail is definitely not too high, not too crazy. I love the navy blue on here with the orange popping out. This shoe is dope. Let me know what you guys know about the shoe, what you guys like, dislike about it. Is this something that you should keep in your collection or pass on, man? These are in very good shape. These look fire, bro. And I had a pair of Jordan 8s, the aqua ones, which I thought were fire. Had to get rid of those. So now I got blessed with some more 8s. So I just don't know what to do. I think I might keep these, but I want to know your thoughts and opinions if I should keep them, rock them, sell them, whatever. I will be using eBay to get rid of these shoes because my eBay's lit. Check out that video so you can see what I've already posted on eBay, and get your chance to go ahead and try and get after them, man. You feel me? Without further ado, we're gonna check out the next shoe. Next shoe, like I said, I got notes because I want to make sure I got just some of the details right about these shoes, and these are indeed Jordan 5s. They came out in 2006. These are the Green Bean 5s. Very dope. Got the reflective 3M going on. I'm not sure if it's hitting the light right now. Dope shoe, man. I've had these before. I remember probably like the year after they originally came out. And you know, my foot grew a little bit more, so I had to get rid of them because they started being too snug. I had these ones and the Maroon 5s. I took actually both of them. For those of the OGs who've been here for a minute, you guys know I took them to equivalents for consignment and then end up selling them to the store for them. So I came across another pair, man. These ones are fire. The green beans came out in, what did I say, 2006, man. You guys can still find these for sure. They're not something that's hard to find. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. Would you guys keep these, rock these, cop these, pass these? Very dope shoe, man. The lime green with the gray hits. Goes for pretty much anything you guys want to rock with this. Let me know, you know, which means like in shorts or like drop crocs, maybe even with some jeans. If you guys rocking with jeans, let me know. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these Jordan 5 green beans. Fire shoe, you dig? So the next shoe we're gonna talk about is these Jordan 10s. Let me make sure I got the year right. They came out in November 2013. These Dornbecker 10s, which is a fire shoe. Some people might have slept on them. Some might really like them. They're similar to an OVO, but not really. They got a lot of details as most Dornbecker shoes have. What do you guys think about these 10s, man? The bottoms is fire. You know, I like what's going on here in the midsole. It's like almost a camo, but reflective. Of course, we're gonna get the up close visuals so you guys can see them if you haven't seen them yourself. These are older shoes, so you guys might have seen them plenty of times. I don't know. But Jordan symbol on the back, pull tab, got like some tire marks. Same thing with the tire marks inside and the insole. Very dope shoes. Silhouette of the 10s are always pretty, well, most of the time pretty dope. They come out with good colorways for the 10s. What do you guys think about these Dornbeckers? Do you guys own a pair? Do you guys have a pair? Would you want some? Let me know what you guys think about any of these shoes, especially those Dornbeckers. Fire shoe in my opinion, size 13. I'm debating on what I'm gonna do with them, man. The next ones we're gonna get to are some Jordan 9s. And these bad boys came out in 2013 also. This is the original release. I don't know if they're gonna re-release these or not. I like this colorway, man. This stuff is dope. I believe they call them what? Photo blue, black bottom? Photo blue, black bottom. I don't know, photo blue 9s. Let me know if you guys have a better name for this or another official name. These are dope. 9s, the 9 silhouette is a dope shoe. With some of the colorways they come with. More so the retro colorways or the OG colorways of the Jordan 9s are dope. This is not one of those, but this one is still dope. The all black with the blue stitching on it. I think this is fire. It's almost like a little bit, it's like a turquoise, not so much the Carolina blue. It's more like a turquoise. So it's black and turquoise on the lace area and stitched around here. Fire shoe, man. Let me know what you guys think about these. Are these a cop, a pass, keep in the stash, or throw them in the trash? eBay, whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying? Those are some Jordans that we're going to talk about. Now let's move on to the pennies that we got here in the video. Next shoe we got came out in 2012 from your boy Penny Hardaway, the Air Penny 2, the Sprite edition. What do you guys think about these? You know, Sprite has done their collaborations with LeBron, maybe some other athletes too, but the most notable for me are, you know, your boy Penny Hardaway as well as LeBron. Let me know what you guys think about these. I think Kobe got some Sprites too. Let me know in the comment section. These are dope, a classic shoe. The Penny 2 is a very dope shoe in my opinion. Some of the colorways they came with were fire for the Penny 2s. I've seen some triple black ones that were fire. Of course, the original colorway. These ones are dope. The Sprites, they're not hard to find. You guys might have seen some of my Marshalls videos. If you haven't, go ahead and check out. I got a lot of content on here about all kinds of stuff, you know, sneaker related and vlogs. Go ahead and check your boy Bossco if you haven't. But I found these at the Marshalls in, I think, Glendale for like 50 bucks or something like that. So you still can find these definitely. Let me know what you guys think about these, if you guys own a pair or not. What do you guys think about the Penny 2s as a whole? I like the yellow bottoms. That's pretty dope. The colorways is dope. It reminds you of Sprite. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes in the comment section. Should I keep those or get rid of them, man? You know, I just want to know your thoughts and opinions on some of the shoes that are now in my sneaker collection that I'm just trying to decide on what to do with them. You feel me? Without further ado, we're going to get into this next bad boy right here, which is another penny. And I'm going to make sure I check this out and be right. This is Penny 5, the Red Eagle, dropped 2012. September 2012. Very dope shoe in my opinion. This colorway is fire. Do you guys like them? Would you guys pass on these? Did you guys even know about these silhouettes? The bottoms are dope. They had some good colorways in this model for the Penny 5. This is the only one I have though, but this one's dope. The lacing is pretty fire. I don't know, it's just a bright shoe. It stands out. It looks like it could be comfortable on the court. Got all this Air Max going on down here. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these, man. Fire shoe. These ones dropped, like I said, 2012. Dope shoe. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these in the comment section. Hopefully I'm not keeping you guys taking too long. Just want to get your opinion on these shoes, showing you guys what's going on, right? So the next shoe we're going to get to is these Air pennies. They're called B2005. So you guys got to let me know and fill me in more on that, what that means. I'm not sure. I'm drawing a blank on it. Fire colorway just looks pretty much just like the original one, but they just have this orange stuff going on. Very dope shoe, man. Let me know what you guys think about these pennies and your thoughts and opinions. Air Max Penny B2005. These dropped in 2005, May of 2005. Fire shoe, bro. Let me know your thoughts and opinions of these. This model right here, besides the foam posits, I think this is my favorite model of the pennies in general. Like the full penny line. I love the penny ones and the foam posits. Those are my favorite too. And I think depending on how they rock these, how they freak the colorways, these ones go over foams for me. But you know, what is your opinion? Do you guys, what's your favorite penny hardware out there? The ones, twos, the fives, the fours? Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these shoes and the pennies. Are these a cop or pass, fire or trash? I'm gonna show you guys the up close and personal of all these shoes so you guys will know what they look like. You dig? Next one we're gonna get into, I believe came out the same year, 2005, is another Air Max Penny one. This is the highlighter edition. This one came out way after he was, I don't think these came out when he was playing. They came out with this colorway later. This shoe is pretty dope, you know, all black suede with the, you know, lime green, or the Vote. This is the colorway they're using now, the Vote colorway. These are called the highlighters. Very dope shoe, pretty dope. You can see them at night, definitely, with that lime green hints all through them. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Here's the bottoms of them, pretty dope. Almost like a translucent lime green kind of bottom, if you will. What do you guys think about these pennies in the comment section? Let me know. Are these a cop or pass? Let them go, keep them. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these penny, Air Max Penny 1 highlighter, right? I don't know, you know, the colorway, the name of it, highlighter, I guess it is like a highlight green. Now they're calling it the Vote green. Same thing, but that's what it was in 2005, you feel me? Next shoe, you guys might be able to see it on camera, I'm pretty sure. These ones right here are really dope in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think about these. These are some pennies as well. Nike Zoom Rookie, the Galaxy ones. These ones dropped in 2012. Very dope shoe. Still have the pull tab on them. Let me know what you guys think about these. These are one of the best pennies out of the you know, the flight zooms, out of the rookies, my bad, out of the rookies. Let me make sure I say it right. Nike Zoom Rookie pennies. This model's probably, this colorway is probably the best one in my opinion, along with the one that's right next to it that you guys can see. We're gonna get into that one too. But this one, the Galaxy, is dope. I like when they had the Galaxy foams. I'm still yet to be blessed with those. I want to get my hands on the Galaxy foams one day. But these ones are dope, and I'm so glad to now have these in my collection. I think I'm way leaning more so towards keeping these bad boys. But let me know your thoughts and opinion. Would you guys keep these? Did you guys try and cop these? Did you own your pair? Let me know your thoughts and opinion in the comment section. These are fire. I will do an on-feet on some of these shoes, maybe all of them. Don't want to make the video too long, but these are just some fire shoes, and I want to know your opinions to keep, pass, cop, or trash them. Let me know in the comment section below. You dig? Now, the next one that I'm pulling out is just as fire as the Galaxy we just talked about. This one is the same model, the Nike Zoom Rookie. Very dope. This is the glow in the dark edition, and yes, they do glow in the dark. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these bad boys. If you own them, let me know how much you love them. If you do not own them or you wanted them, let me know how badly you wanted them. Is this a cop or pass? Did you guys go after these or not? Were you guys even into these shoes when they dropped? 2011. Dope shoe. Bottoms is pretty much like a darker translucent, almost like a smoke gray, all black. I mean, all black suede, yeah, in the pretty much the middle of the shoe. And then you got the whole glow in the dark panel all around the shoes. And when we do an up close and personal visual of this shoe, I definitely will show you the glow in the dark effect of how the whole shoe glows in the dark, man. It's crazy. As I have it here, the back part is kind of glowing. It's crazy. So you definitely will see up close and personal visuals of these bad boys. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Smash the like button if you are enjoying this video, any shoe you guys like in here. Comment in the comments below what's your favorite one, you dig? I read all the comments. Let's keep the energy positive. And yeah, bro, the last one but not least, without further ado, is another Nike Zoom Rookie. That's just what it's called. This colorway is crazy. If you guys have seen my channel before, some of my older videos from last year, I've had 2 other colorways, actually 3 colorways. I've had maybe a total of like 5 or 6 colorways of this model. The navy blue one, which was fire, but I had to get rid of that one. The dark gray, the dark gray one, that one's also fire. But this one is dope. I had seen it a few places, never been able to cop it or actually get it in my hand. Now that I do, they look even better than before. What do you guys think about these? And out of the Nike Zoom Rookies, which one is your favorite? You have this one, you got that bad boy, and then you got this Galaxy. You know, let me know which one you guys like the most out of these 3. Let me know which one you guys like the most in general. Give me your thoughts and opinion on all these shoes. I appreciate your time. Without further ado, we are definitely going to go ahead and get up close and personal visuals of these shoes. Maybe a quick on feet. It's not going to make the video too long, you feel me? And it's your boy Bossco. I hope you guys have a great day wherever you are in the universe. And stay blessed, be humble, strive for greatness. Make sure you... These are probably my favorite ones out of the 2 flips. Let's go ahead and see what that white one look like.
What up, world? You know what I said? The diamonds was on prom date. I meant they was dancing under the dog light. In New York, I'm really raw. Got it in my sock, 50 out the wall, and I pitch raw. Got it in my sock, got a little thought. That's a little boat, boy, that's a little, yeah. I just like, let me get this shit for real. I get money, motherfucker, like I'm Jordan. It's the nigga flying foreign, make your bitches not important. Millie rocking through the city, pop a pity by the garden. No, you niggas can't afford it, and these bitches can't ignore me. I dish it like Dory. I'm with some white shorty, and the bitch is like 40. She singing Mike Shorey in the port loose, riding out the porch, cool gliding. If you try me, nigga, I'll be off the porch, stoop sliding. It's just me and Lil Aggie, Portuguese, Lil Baddie, pouring drink off in the soda, putting weed off in the baggie. I be off in the caddy with a freak that's off of Addy, tryna fuck me to the beat. It's like the beat is off badly. Fleeing off the Cali, I'll be back in the morning. Them boys diss me in the night, I get them clapped by the morning. Got the money club and all the dollars stacking and joining. In the back of this foreign, I keep a cool bitch with me that's never slacking or born, never lacking, I'm blowing to any nigga trying to hoe us. We feel the world owe us, I bet your girl know us. Weatherman Riley, 2 bad bitches like Kendall and Kylie. Let your man try me, be another man dying. I'm a young sergeant. Oh, and by the way, I just beat my gun charges. Lawyer like a maid that just sweeping dump charges. Shout out Jim Lewis, I won't keep you bombarded, but we some young bosses. Can't nobody ever try to do it like we do. Playboy like Cardi, I won't fuck Cardi B too. Wonder if I slide in that DM, what it lead to? Putting it in position like we in a magazine shoot. Nigga, I'm the man, 10 bitches, Magnolia. Shout out to the fans, African, Angolia. Throw the damn roller, throw the damn roller. Rollie so heavy that the bitches can't hold it up. Scoring so much they gotta throw a damn goalie up. Niggas say they know but they don't know enough. You know it's us. Sure they wanna fuck me for Chanel, she a coconut. Skirting through the parking lot with donuts in the cold cuts. All 30 of us, 26 bitches, 4 sluts. All of us going up, the bank accounts growing up. Shorty threw the pussy at me, tore it up. Now the only way to get it back, she gotta saw it up. Yeah, in New York, I'm Millie Rock. I'm on any block, hit that bitch on Blitty block. Gave this dick to 20 thoughts, got it in my sock. 40 on a wop, 30 clip inside it.
I know the video's long as it is. We're not going to go too much into detail. If you guys want to see on feet of the rest of the shoes there, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Links in the description. Bossco's Goodies, that's the Instagram, you dig. Thanks for watching. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Peace.